All right, welcome back. Algebra 1, Hononegah. Today we're going to do 8.6, which is basically comparing some of the different graphs that we have done this year. And then we're also going to do a summary of all the different quadratics. So in vertex form, standard form, and intercept form. So today's lesson is pretty easy. So it's kind of that plus a little bit of review. So a linear function is when you get a line. So if all the points are in a line, y equals mx plus b, so you have a slope and a y-intercept, now you're talking about a linear function. Exponential function, so ab raised to the x power, and you're going to get an exponential curve. Okay, so it's going to go upward exponentially, or you're multiplying by a number each time. And then you have a quadratic, so y equals ax squared plus bx plus c, and obviously that's standard form, so we do have other forms for quadratics, but ultimately it makes a U shape. So when I am looking at points and I'm going to graph them, I'm going to determine whether the graph is linear, exponential, or a quadratic. So I'm just going to graph all of those points. So the point 8, 4, 4, 0, 0, negative 4, negative 2, negative 6, and negative 4, negative 8. So looking at these, they kind of look like they make a straight line, which they do, which makes this linear. So just determine whether the points are linear, exponential, or quadratic. So next one, negative 3, positive 6, negative 2, positive 1, 0, negative 3, 2, positive 1, 3, positive 6. So it looks like it goes down and then it goes back up again, and this would be then a parabola, which is a quadratic function. Negative 3, positive 9, negative 2, positive 5, negative 1, positive 3, 0, 2, 1, and 1.5. So it looks like it goes downward. And so that makes this a exponential function. Just by looking at it, you should also be able to tell whether or not it's linear, exponential, or quadratic. So 3 times x plus 7, y equals mx plus b. So we're talking about a linear function. Negative 2x squared plus 7x minus 4, this would be a quadratic, and it's actually a quadratic in standard form. Next one, we're raising it to the x power, so it's an exponential function. This is vertex form, so still a quadratic. Raising it to the x power still makes it exponential. And we're back to another linear, so y equals mx plus b. So this is a U try. All right, welcome back. So hopefully you were able to do all of these. You hit pause and you're able to do them. Negative 1, positive 5, 2, negative 1, 0, negative 1, 3, positive 5, and 1, negative 3. So this is, I'll say, fitting that we threw this one in this particular chapter, since that's what we've been talking about lately. It's a quadratic. And then y equals mx plus b. This goes back to first semester. We're talking about a linear function. So homework assignment tonight is a worksheet. And again, 8.6 is not real complicated. So we're doing a lot of review questions on vertex, standard form, and intercept form. If you have any questions, please make sure you talk to your teacher, and good luck.